Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new folder in Windows 10 and 11. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Creating a folder is super helpful for organizing your files and keeping everything tidy. So to do that, first decide where you want the folder to be. You can create it on your desktop or within a specific location using File Explorer. And once you've picked your spot, find an empty space and right click on the blank area, like so. Then hover over New and click on Folder from the menu. A new folder will then appear, ready for you to rename. So simply type the name you want, and then afterwards just press Enter. And then your folder is created. So to open it, just double click on it. And now you can start organizing. So just drag and drop files into the folder. And when you open it, everything will be right there in one place, like so. And that's it. That's how to create a new folder in Windows 10 and 11. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.